Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to change the system language priority order. So simply go to your settings, scroll down, tap on the option General Management. Then tap on the option Language. So here you can see I added two more languages, Hindi and Malayalam. And English is the default inbuilt language. So let me show you how to change the system language priority order. Now you can see the first one English, second one Hindi and third one Malayalam. So let me show you how to change the order. Now here I am going to set the Malayalam as the second language. Press and hold Malayalam. Now after this one you can see the arrow icon. Tap on this one and move. Now go back. Now you can see the order is changed. So in case if you want to set the Hindi as your default language, so here you can see the language at the top of the list will be used by default. So if you want to set the Hindi as your default language, press and hold the Hindi, tap on the arrow icon and move to top. Now go back. You can see the language is changed and the Hindi we set as the default language. So simply in this way we can change the system language priority order on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.